When I first started drafting, I used to make break lines like this using polylines. But did you know that AutoCAD had a command called BREAKLINE? Let's see how it works. First, type the command BREAKLINE and hit enter. Specify first point of break line. Specify second point of break line. Then, specify location for break symbol. And it's done. Now, let's see how we can change the size of this break line symbol. First, I'll give the command BREAKLINE. Select size. And you can see it's by default set at 0.5. So I'll change it to 1 and hit enter. Now, specify first point. Specify second point. Then specify location for break symbol. Now you can see the size of BREAKLINE symbol is changed. If you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.